Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name is Oscar Zhang and welcome. I have literally just come back from work. I'm still in my work clothes, so this is my outfit today. I didn't even post it on Instagram or anything, but I wanted to film a really quick video for an unboxing because I'm so excited about this particular item. It's been a while since I've actually filmed. I mean, I did quite a bit of vlogging while I was in China, but now I haven't actually filmed because I've been getting pretty lazy. I've had a couple of videos that I had in my video bank where I just released them. I didn't actually film those recently. So, you know, just a little reality check there for me. So I think I'm a bit rusty, and also, yeah, just a little bit nervous because I'm just kind of like, you know, sitting in front of the camera again. Oh, it's actually quite warm in here now, but, for those of you that might have seen the video on my unboxing of this particular jacket, guys, today I received so many compliments on this. At first I thought that this jacket was kind of like a love it or hate it thing, where I thought most people would lean towards hating it, but actually so many people loved it. I'll link the unboxing video down below, but yeah, I got so many compliments on this and it's just such an amazing jacket. So I'm just gonna put this down. You might actually notice that I've got a bit of a different background now, so it's because I'm actually in my brand new closet. It's not done. And just to give you a bit of context in case you don't know, because you might be new to my channel, one of my housemates, yes, I live with other people, so you can see how money savvy I am, but one of my housemates, they've moved out, and instead of replacing him, me and my partner have decided to pay a little extra and cover the room that he's left, and we've agreed to make this room into a walk-in closet for me. So yeah, that's the background. Stick around guys, hit that subscribe button if you can't wait to see my closet. But yeah, I don't want to show you guys my closet until it's completely done, and then I'll have this big reveal. But what I might do is incorporate some things into my vlogs. I might have that going. You know, for example, the other day I went and I purchased this amazing mirror. Ooh. I purchased this amazing table mirror, and I thought about, you know, I wanted to vlog, you know, my process of buying it. I just thought, oh yeah, you know, vlogs, you guys probably want to see interesting things and really cool things. So I just didn't really think that was interesting enough. While I'm talking about this, can we just take a second to appreciate how stunningly beautiful this mirror is? So it's a touch pad down here. You touch it, you tap it, and there's a ring light. This is normal. There's no magnification, and then you can actually flip the mirror, and on the other side, which is also illuminated, it's 8 times magnification, which I think is absolutely amazing. But yeah, so that's my mirror and I've placed it here. So I will take you guys around once the room's complete. I'll have it. Anyways, I am rambling so freaking much. I'm so sorry. The whole point of today's video was to really quickly unbox something that I purchased from the Outnet. We are going to unbox this from the Outnet. Let me just grab my scissors. Yikes. Okay, so I have my scissors. Guys, in case you didn't know, the Outnet has a sale that was on where it's an extra 30% off a selected number of designer items. Now, all of the Outnet's products are designer pieces. They're all luxury pieces, but they are heavily discounted. So then there's a selection that is then a further 30% off, and that's where I got this particular item. I actually purchased 2 of these, not 2 of these, I don't have 2 of the same. I have 2 items because the one that I want is less than $500, but if you purchase or past $500, you get free shipping and it's free returns. So I decided to just, you know, buy up to $500 and that way I can get free shipping and I can just return the second item if I don't like it. Because, you know, crap is expensive, and for me when I shop, I'm usually like, I will only buy if I'm like love at first sight. If my heart skips a beat the first time I look at you, I'm gonna snap you up. But if I'm umming and ahhing, even on like the second or third time I'm looking at you, probably not worth dumping $3,000 on something that you're not instantly in love with. My little hot tip for the day. So let me tell you the prices in a moment. I'm just gonna dump this on the floor. The first thing that I got, I'm gonna reveal my favorite item last. There's two things in here. I'm gonna reveal the first item, which is the item that I am likely to return. And that is a pair of wide leg trousers from Zimmerman. How cute is this? So I actually picked this up because I do not actually own a pair of wide leg trousers and I've been trying to find a really nice pair that suits my body style for a really, really long time now. You know, being a guy and all and looking at women's clothes, it's really hard to find something that fits well and can accommodate my particular silhouette, my particular body shape. So, and wide pants usually will actually make my body even wider than it is. But I decided to pull the trigger on these. These were not cheap. This is the back and this is the front. I think this is actually really, really cute. Like, it's really wide leg. So it like comes out, like look how wide this pant leg is. That's like it's like as wide as my shoulders. That's insanity. I'm gonna have to wear like heels with this. Oh, you know what guys, I might not return this. I think I might actually like keep this if it fits well, but I'll try it on and see how you guys like it. I'll try it on with the other one, but it's really soft, guys. Wow, it's like silky. Okay, let's check what the actual composition is. Where's the materials tab? I don't see a materials tab anywhere. Oh, here it is. Wow, that's hard to find. Okay, so this is 35% silk and 65% viscose. So that's main, which is the outside material. And then the inside, the lining, is only 50% viscose and 50% silk. So there's actually, it's a silk blend, and no wonder it feels like silk. Like, it's really soft and really like smooth. And I mean, it's like a pastel-y pink kind of creamy color, which I think will make it really good for spring and summer. And I think I can pull this off in the winter as well. I think. We'll see. All right, so this is the first item. This was the item that I bought because the other item that I wanted wasn't $500. And so I couldn't get free shipping. So I bought this to get free shipping. But, you know, now that I have it, I kind of really like it, guys. Yeah. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below, whether you like this. Let me just bring out the price. This cost $370. The next item that I got is, it's beautiful. This is so extra, but so stunning. Oh my god. Okay guys, well, first of all, I mean, need I say anything about the Swarovski? So this is Swarovski crystal embellished in the monogram pattern that Versace is so well known for. So yes, this is a Versace jumper. How gorgeous is this, guys? This is absolutely incredible, and it's so thick. It's like soft and foamy. I don't know how to explain it. It's like foamy in like a good way. It's like foamy in a way that it's like you would really be warm in this. Like I think this for winter is so perfect. Now it's good because I don't have anything green in my closet. So this is absolutely stunning, and look at how this shimmers in the light. Oh my god, guys. Oh, I love this. And wait for the price. So this I purchased for $212. Like, guys, $200. Okay, yes, $200 is a really, really expensive thing. It's still really expensive, right? But it's a freaking steal. Oh my god. I love this so much. I'm definitely not returning this. Subject to it actually fitting. So we'll see if it actually fits. I'm gonna like try it on and stuff just to see how well it fits, but I'm not gonna do it on camera because my room at the moment is not quite set up to allow for mod shots. So, you know, what I'll do is I will try it on and I'll style it up, and I'll put it up on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, head on over there and have a look. But guys, you know, let me know if I should keep both of them. Like, I think that I didn't expect this, but I feel like they would go pretty well together. Like, if I'm just wearing them, like, oh, how do I do this? Like, can you see that going together? I mean, I'm looking, there's a mirror there for me. That's why I keep glancing over there. But I feel like this would look very cute. Oh, I love this. Oh, I really love this. Now, I should actually, before I do anything, tell you how much. Hey. Hello. What's up? Hi, Shadow. Do you like?
It's alright.
Oh, you're such a Debbie Downer.
I don't know if
It's very different.
Well, you're in the middle of something, so I won't bother you.
I'm at the end of it though. So if you can give me 5 minutes.
Alright. Give me a kiss first.
Be careful.
Alright. 5 minutes.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is 70% modal. I don't actually know what that means. And 30% polyester. It's foamy, but it's like a really nice kind of, I don't know how to explain it. Like, anyways, regardless, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I know that it's going to keep me so warm through the winter. So, and it's perfect because I'm actually going to an event on the 22nd in a couple of weeks. So I will be able to wear this. And I'm really, really excited, and hopefully I'll be able to pull this off as well. But yeah, guys, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, please hop on over to my Instagram to check it out when I post a shot styling these up. And obviously, if you don't follow me, it would be amazing if you start, you know, hit that red button below and subscribe to my channel, because I do make videos at least once a week. I try to make more, but I am a law student, and I study full-time and I work full-time as well. So you can imagine how busy I already am. So I do push out a video a week at least. Sometimes I will do 2 on the rare occasion, just depending on how much content I have. So yeah, I really look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. And please let me know in the comments below what you guys think about my jumper. I would love your opinions, because, you know, sharing this is, we're a community, you know, and I would love to have a chat to you guys about your opinions and let me know your thoughts. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.